Friday, March 4th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist. Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our Friday, and a lot of folks thankful it's Friday this week, right?
Yes, I'm so happy it's Friday. I can enjoy the weekend off because we have our new meteorologist, Eric, working this weekend, which is good.
Yeah.
But it's a cold start this morning. We are looking to warm up today to near 30, but even more on Sunday. We are going to be in the low 60s.
Yeah, no wind out there this morning, so it doesn't feel as bad as it could. That's for
Yes,
sure.
that's how it is going to be today. Feeling a lot warmer than yesterday. So let's take a look now at our temperatures this morning. We have just 1 degree at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. A lot of us are below zero this morning, so make sure you bundle up before heading outside and maybe use your car starter. It is pretty cold. We are dry though on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and they're looking to see partly cloudy skies today, warming up to near 30. So very frigid this morning. We are going to be seeing big temperature swings ahead, especially this weekend, with temperatures in the 30s on one day and then in the 60s on Sunday. A taste of spring on Sunday with some rain showers and once again high temperatures in the low 60s. But for today, we will be seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 20s with calm winds, and I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks from the News Channel 2 Alert Desk this morning.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing partly cloudy skies outside right now, but it is a very cold start with our temperatures around and below zero. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, partly cloudy skies, and we are going to be warming up today to the mid to upper 20s. Let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing clear conditions across all of central New York. This is because this high pressure system came in to dominate for today. We will be seeing dry weather, partly cloudy skies, and it is going to warm up to near 30. We are also going to be seeing calm winds today, so it is going to feel like the actual temperature outside. But a very cold start, so make sure you bundle up if you are heading out or use your car starter. We are around and below zero. We have 12 below zero in Lowville, just 6 degrees in Whitesboro, and 3 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking further down to the south, we have 4 degrees in Skenevis and 5 degrees in Norwich this morning. So a very cold start, but we are looking to warm up for today. And as we head into the weekend, we are going to warm up even more. So today we will be in the mid to upper 20s, heading into tomorrow near 40 for the high temperature and 60 degrees on Sunday. So very mild, very warm on Sunday. We will be seeing afternoon rain showers. We drop into the mid 30s for Monday and Tuesday, but right back to 40 again on Wednesday. So we are going to be seeing mild weather as we head into the weekend and at the beginning of next week. So those are a couple of days to look forward to. So for your weekend on Saturday, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies and dry conditions for most of the day, but there is a possibility for a brief wintry mix happening in the evening hours just around dinner time as our highs reach near 40 as a warm front approaches. So that warm front will approach on Sunday. We will be seeing high temperatures in the low 60s with those rain showers, so it is going to feel very, very warm on Sunday. So partly cloudy skies are in store for today. We will warm up to the mid to upper 20s for the high temperature. Heading into tonight, we will see an increase in clouds, low temperatures once again in the single digits and lower teens. Mostly cloudy for Saturday with the possibility of that brief round of mixed precipitation just around dinner time and breezy conditions. On Sunday, getting very, very warm. We are going to be seeing an afternoon rain shower. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s. So for today, we will be seeing a mix of clouds and sunshine with highs in the mid to upper 20s. Tonight, we will be seeing low temperatures once again in the single digits, so a cold night ahead with an increase in clouds. We are going to be warming up quite a bit tomorrow with highs near 40 and a brief round of mixed precipitation in the evening. Afternoon rain showers on Sunday as our highs are going to be in the 60s and the possibility of a wintry mix on Monday as our temperature drops. Back to you, Gary.
You said 60s.
Yes, I'm so excited. I wish it wasn't raining so I could actually go outside.
Let's hope for the best.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022 now.
This morning, be careful for some icy spots on the sidewalk. We did get below zero for most of us last night, causing some snow accumulation and some wet surfaces to ice over. We will see melting ice today as our temperature reaches near 30. So we are still behind in snowfall, although we did get some snow. We have 48 inches just about, and our average for this time of year is just about 82 inches. So we are about 34 inches below average in snowfall for this whole season. And we do not look to be getting any more snow, at least for the near future. We are going to be dry today and on Saturday mostly. Sunday we are going to get rain showers as our temperature is going to be in the 60s. And Monday is the next chance for some snowfall. It looks like we are going to be getting some mixed precipitation as our temperatures are above freezing. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Get ready to spend March 4th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist. Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And it is Friday, but it is a very, very chilly one out there this morning.
Yes, it is very cold. Our temperatures are around and below zero this morning, but we are looking to warm up to the mid to upper 20s with no wind today. So it is going to feel a lot warmer than yesterday.
Yeah, those walkers out there, don't mind it.
Yeah, I mean, it is a cold start, but by the afternoon, getting a lot better.
Yeah.
So let's take a look now at our temperatures. We are measuring 1 degree at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. A lot of our temperatures are below zero this morning, so make sure you bundle up or use that car starter before heading outside. But we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Our high pressure system is dominating all of central New York, so we do look to remain dry. It is very, very cold this morning, so make sure you do bundle up. We are going to be warming up today, and we do have some big temperature swings ahead. We are going to be in the 40s on Saturday and then the 60s on Sunday, so we are going to be getting a taste of spring as we head into the end of the weekend. But for today, a mix of sun and clouds. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 20s. And I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Happening today is the
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up very cold and partly cloudy this morning, but we are looking to warm up to the mid to upper 20s today. So let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Once again, partly cloudy skies. Our temperatures are around and below zero this morning, but we are going to be warming up today. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing dry conditions in our area, just a few snow flurries in the Syracuse area, but we are looking to remain mostly dry for today. This is because high pressure is dominating our region right now. We are looking to remain mostly dry, warming up to the mid to upper 20s, and we are going to be seeing calm winds, so it is not going to feel as frigid as it did throughout the day yesterday. So let's take a look at some of our temperatures this morning. We have 11 below zero in Lowville, just 7 degrees in Utica, and 6 degrees in Whitesboro. Looking further down to the south, we have 7 degrees in Hamilton and in Norwich. So a very cold start to the morning, but we are looking to warm up today. We are going to be seeing warmer weather as we head into the weekend and next week. So tomorrow we will be seeing temperatures near 40. On Sunday, a taste of spring. We are going to be seeing temperatures in the 60s, so very, very warm on Sunday. We look to drop into the mid-30s once again for the start of the week, but still kind of around and above average for this time of year, and right back to 40 on Wednesday. So we do have a couple of warm days ahead. It looks like the temperatures are going to be warm heading into next week. So here is your full weekend forecast. On Saturday, we are going to be mostly cloudy and dry throughout the day with a chance of mixed precipitation that is going to be very brief in the evening hours just around dinner time as our temperatures reach near 40. Now on Sunday we are going to be in the 60s, so very, very warm, and we are going to be seeing afternoon and evening rain showers. So let's look at everything on our skycast. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies today. High temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 20s. Tonight we will be seeing an increase in clouds and low temperatures in the single digits and the lower teens. Now for tomorrow, we are going to be warming up to near 40. It is looking to remain dry for most of the day, and in the later afternoon to early evening hours, we get that chance of some mixed precipitation that is going to be very brief. Now on Sunday, we are getting very, very warm. Our temperatures are going to be in the 60s with a round of afternoon and evening precipitation. Now for today, we are going to be seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures are going to reach the mid to upper 20s. Tonight, we will see an increase in clouds and lows are going to be in the single digits to the lower teens. So we are getting pretty warm tomorrow. We will see highs in the upper 30s and a brief round of some mixed precipitation in the evening. Very, very mild on Sunday with highs in the 60s and rain showers and a chance of a wintry mix on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Like after tonight, it's smooth sailing for a little while.
I know, it looks very warm next week. I'm excited.
Yeah, Hannah,
Spring
thanks.
came early.
The Utica Commutes will begin.
Back as you were heading out the door this morning, I would definitely recommend using the car starter. Our temperatures are around and below zero. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies, but once again, very, very cold this morning, so keep that in mind. But for today, we are going to be seeing just a slight breeze. It is not going to feel as cold as it did yesterday, and our highs are going to reach the mid to upper 20s, so we will be getting warmer throughout the day. Now, once again, if you are planning out your weekend, there is a chance for some mixed precipitation Saturday evening. It is going to be very brief and light in nature. Temperatures will be near 40. For Sunday, our temperatures will be in the 60s, so very, very mild on Sunday, and we will be seeing rounds of afternoon and evening rain showers. I'll have a look at your commute forecast for today coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Twilight actor 4th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our Friday ahead. And a lot of folks looking forward to the weekend, but we got to get through Friday and it's starting off chilly.
Yes, it is very cold this morning, so make sure you bundle up before heading outside. We will reach the mid-20s today for the high, and then warming up over the weekend. 40s tomorrow, 60s on Sunday.
60s.
I know, it's going to feel very, very warm on Sunday, but we are going to be seeing some rain, but still very warm.
You can see everyone out there smiling right now.
Yes, so let's take a look now at our temperatures this morning. So we are at and below zero. We are at just 1 degree at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, so it is a very cold start to the morning. But we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and they're looking to remain mostly dry and partly cloudy for today. So it is a very, very cold start to the morning, but we are going to be seeing the temperatures warm up to the mid to upper 20s today. Now we are going to be seeing big temperature swings ahead. We have 40 tomorrow, 60 on Sunday, and then dropping back into the 30s for the beginning of the week. So we are going to be changing in temperature, and once again on Sunday in the 60s, feeling a lot more like spring. So for today, a mix of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures are going to reach the mid to upper 20s, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks from the News Channel.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies this morning, and our temperatures are around and below zero. So let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are looking to see a mix of sun and clouds today and warming up to near 30. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry for the most part across our area. There is just a few light snow showers and flurries in the Syracuse area just to the west of us. But this is because we do have this high pressure system lingering over New York, so we are looking to remain mostly dry today, see a mixture of some sun and some clouds, and are going to be seeing calm winds. We are going to be warming up to the upper 20s, so it is going to feel a lot better and a lot warmer than yesterday. So here are some reports from our sky watchers. A very, very cold start. We have 16 below in Old Forge and 14 below in Inlet, 8 below zero in Westdale, and 7 degrees above zero in New Hartford. Looking further down to the south, we have 4 degrees in Cooperstown and 11 degrees in West Lawrence. So still a pretty chilly start. We are looking to warm up to the mid to upper 20s for today. And there are a lot of warm days ahead. So as we head into tomorrow, we will be near 40, so it is going to feel even a lot better than today and yesterday. A taste of spring is in store for Sunday. We are going to be seeing rain showers in the afternoon and evening, but our high temperature is going to be in the 60s, so very, very mild on Sunday. We look to drop into the 30s once again for Monday and Tuesday, but still a lot warmer than the past 2 days where our temperatures were in the 20s. And on Wednesday, we are back to near 40 for the high, so we do have some warm days ahead, and next week does look to be very mild. But for your weekend, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies for most of the day tomorrow. There's a chance for a brief round of mixed precipitation in the evening hours, just around dinner time, as our highs reach near 40. On Sunday, we are going to be in the 60s, so very, very mild on Sunday, and we are going to be seeing afternoon and evening rounds of rain. So let's look at that on our skycast. Partly cloudy skies for today. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s. Tonight, we will see an increase in clouds. Lows are going to be in the teens and single digits once again. And for tomorrow, we will be warming up to near 40 with that brief round of mixed precipitation possible in the evening hours. Heading into Sunday, getting very, very warm as a warm front approaches. We will be seeing temperatures in the 60s, but we are going to be seeing a few rounds of some rain showers in the afternoon and in the evening. Before today, we will be seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s. Overnight tonight, our lows are going to be in the single digits and lower teens, and we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies. So we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies for most of the day tomorrow. Some mixed precipitation is possible in the evening, highs near 40. Rain showers on Sunday with highs in the 60s, very, very warm. And mixed precipitation is possible on Monday as the temperature drops. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. Decision 2022 now. Even
We're saying good morning to Utica and all of the greater Utica region. If you are going to be walking outside this morning, just be careful for some icy spots. We did see temperatures below zero last night, causing some surfaces to ice over. We will be drying out and the ice will start to melt throughout the day, so there may be some wet spots. Now, we are still behind in snowfall, so our average for this time of year is around 83 inches, and we've only gotten close to 49 inches of snow. So we are about 34 inches behind average in snowfall for this season this year, and it doesn't look like we are going to be seeing any snow in the near future. We are dry today, and for most of tomorrow, a brief round of mixed precipitation is possible tomorrow evening. Rain showers on Sunday and mixed precipitation on Monday, so we may be getting a few snow showers Monday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Get ready to spend I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now on this Friday morning to help us all get ready for the big weekend, and we got to get through a chilly one today.
Yes, so it is going to be very cold this morning, warming up to just the upper 20s for the high, but getting warmer on Saturday, highs in the 40s, and then 60s on Sunday.
60s.
Yes, it is going to feel very, very warm. We haven't seen that temperature in a while.
Got to be weird to say that.
I know, it is weird. So let's take a look now at our temperature this morning. We are starting out chilly. We have 1 degree at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. A lot of our temperatures are in the single digits and still below zero. But we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. There are just a few light snow showers and flurries to the west of us, but we are looking to remain mostly dry today. So a very cold start this morning. We are going to be seeing big temperature swings ahead. So once again, tomorrow 40s, Sunday 60s, and then back into the 30s for the start of the week. And a taste of spring on Sunday as we reach those 60-degree temperatures. Now for today, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Happening today is the
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up very cold this morning with our temperatures around zero, and we are seeing mostly cloudy skies. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. More clouds than sun this morning, and we are around zero, but we are looking to warm up to the mid to upper 20s for the high temperature today. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are remaining dry right now, but there are just a few brief light snow showers and flurries kind of forming over Lake Ontario and moving towards the southeast at this moment, so we cannot rule out the possibility of a few light snow showers. But we are in high pressure today, so it is looking to remain mostly dry for the day. We are going to be seeing calm winds, and we are going to be warming up to near 30 for the high. Here's a look at some of our Skywatcher reports from this morning. Still around zero. We have 16 below zero in Old Forge, 3 below zero in Oppenheim, and 7 above zero in New Hartford. Looking further down to the south, we are above zero. We have 4 above zero in Cooperstown and 6 above zero in Evanston and in West Lawrence this morning. We do look to rise to near 30 today. We are going to be seeing warmer weather come in for the weekend, and for next week we have temperatures near 40 for tomorrow, so feeling even a little better tomorrow, in the 60s on Sunday. So we are going to be getting a spring-like day on Sunday in the 60s with some rain showers. We drop into the 30s once again for the start of the week, but still not as cold as being in the 20s or the teens. And we are near 40 once again for Wednesday. So we do have a couple of warm days ahead and a mild week ahead. Before this weekend, although it is going to be mild, we are going to be seeing some damp weather. So for tomorrow, we will reach near 40. There is a possibility for a brief passing mixed precipitation shower in the evening, but otherwise mostly cloudy during the day. We are going to be seeing rounds of rain showers on Sunday, but feeling a lot like spring with our temperatures in the 60s. So more clouds than sun is expected for today. We will be seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Tonight we will drop into the single digits and teens once again and see an increase in clouds. So mostly cloudy for the day tomorrow. We do have that chance of that brief mixed precipitation shower just around dinner time as our highs reach near 40. Heading into Sunday, we are going to be seeing some rounds of some rain showers, but it is going to get very, very warm. Our high temperature is in the 60s, so very warm, very mild on Sunday. It is also going to be breezy. But for today, we are going to be seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s. Overnight tonight, we will drop into the single digits and the teens once again with an increase in cloud cover. So it is going to be mostly cloudy for tomorrow with the chance of some mixed precipitation in the evening hours as highs reach near 40. Very warm and mild on Sunday with breezy conditions, rain showers and highs in the 60s. Chance of wintry mix comes into the area on Monday as our high drops to the mid 30s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica Comets will begin their third.
Welcome back. We are seeing very cold weather this morning, so don't forget to start your car. Temperatures are around and just below zero. Seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, so I would definitely warm up the car this morning. It is pretty chilly outside. We are looking to warm up today. Our high is going to be in the mid to upper 20s with a slight breeze, so it is going to feel a lot better than it did yesterday with the low temperatures and the windy conditions. And for your weekend, it is getting mild, so we are going to be seeing temperatures near 40 on Saturday. It is going to be mostly cloudy during the day with a chance of a brief mixed precipitation shower in the evening. We are going to be seeing rain showers on Sunday, but temperatures are going to be in the 60s. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now taking a look inside your weekend. 7 a.m. It's Friday, March 4th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now on this Friday morning, and it is a very bitter one out there. Temperatures right around the zero mark.
Yes, so we are warming up pretty quickly, though. So our low temperature last night was below zero. We are now kind of in the above zero category, and we are going to see temperatures in the 20s today. So warming up pretty quickly.
At least down here, I know you said negative 16 up in like Old Forge.
Yes, so very, very cold start this morning. And we are going to be warming up for the weekend, so that's something to look forward to. So let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. If you are heading out to the bus stop, temperatures are going to be in the single digits, so make sure you do bundle up. But by the afternoon, we will be seeing high temperatures in the upper 20s. So for today, we will be seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 20s. And overnight tonight, an increase in clouds once again, and low temperatures are going to be in the lower teens. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks from the News Channel 2 Alert Desk this morning.
Back, here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera. We're seeing a mix of sun and clouds this morning with our temperatures still around zero. We are going to be warming up for the weekend. Tomorrow we have highs near 40. It is going to be mostly cloudy and dry throughout the day, but there is a possibility of a brief passing mixed precipitation shower in the evening. We are expecting rain showers on Sunday, and highs will be in the 60s, so very, very mild on Sunday. But for today, we do have a high in the mid-20s. We will be seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and tonight an increase in clouds with a low in the lower teens. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. Taking a look inside your weekend planner now.
Welcome back, everybody. We are waking up mostly dry this morning with a mix of sun and clouds and cold weather. So let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing just a few snow flurries moving towards the southeast at this point this morning, probably affecting the Otsego County area, but once again, little accumulation is expected. We are looking to remain mostly dry today. We are only at 1 degree at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome right now, but we are going to be warming up pretty quickly with our temperatures in the mid to upper 20s today. So if you haven't done so yet, I would definitely use the car starter this morning. It is very, very cold outside. Temperatures are in like around 0, so definitely use that car starter this morning before heading out. So very, very cold this morning. Big temperature swings ahead. As we head into the weekend, we are going to be getting gradually warmer. The taste of spring on Sunday with highs in the 60s. Before the rest of the day, a mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures are going to be in the 20s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The village of Yorkville has
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a mix of sun and clouds this morning with our temperatures around 0. Let's take a look now at the Commute tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing more clouds than sun here. It is very cold, but we are going to be warming up to the mid to upper 20s today. Now, looking at our radar and satellite, we do see a few light snow flurries kind of moving towards the southeastern part of our viewing area, but we do have high pressure in our favor today, so we are looking to remain mostly dry for the day with calm winds, and we are going to be warming up pretty quickly. Here's a look at some of our Skywatcher reports. We have 3 below 0 in Oppenheim, 16 below 0 in Old Forge, and 8 below 0 in Westdale here this morning. Looking to the south, temperatures are above 0. We have 4 in Cooperstown and 6 degrees in Edmondson and in West Lawrence this morning. We are looking to warm up for the weekend, and for next week we are going to be near 40 for the high temperature for tomorrow and in the 60s on Sunday, so very, very mild on Sunday. We drop back into the mid-30s for the start of the week, but that's still pretty warm and above freezing, and we are near 40 for Wednesday, so we do have a couple of warm days ahead and a mild week ahead. We are going to be seeing dry and mostly cloudy skies for most of the day tomorrow. There is a chance for a brief mixed precipitation shower Saturday evening as our temperatures reach near 40. We are going to be seeing rounds of rain showers on Sunday, but it is going to be very warm, feeling a lot like spring with our temperatures in the 60s. So we are going to be seeing a mix of sun and clouds this morning and throughout the day. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 20s for the high. As we head into the overnight hours, we will be seeing an increase in cloud cover, and our low temperatures are going to be in the single digits and the teens. Tomorrow will remain dry and mostly cloudy with our high temperatures near 40, and as we head into the dinner time hours, there's a possibility for that brief mixed precipitation snow shower to pass through. So for Sunday, we are going to be seeing temperatures really start to warm up into the 60s with rounds of rain showers in the afternoon and in the evening with breezy conditions. Now for today, we will be seeing mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies, temperatures rising to at the mid to upper 20s, an increase in clouds overnight with our low temperature in the single digits and the lower teens. So we will be seeing a mixed precipitation shower definitely possible tomorrow evening as our high reaches near 40. Rain showers on Sunday and breezy conditions with highs in the 60s, and the possibility for some mixed precipitation on Monday as our temperature drops into the 30s.
Look at our forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in with a look at some almost summer-like temperatures on the way for Sunday, right?
Yes, on Sunday, but not today. We are still looking at temperatures in the 20s right now this afternoon, but we are mostly dry across the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing some light snow showers in Lewis County and the northern part of Oneida County here this afternoon, but most of us are remaining dry. So here's a look ahead at the weekend. On Saturday, we are going to be seeing temperatures near 40, and we are going to be seeing a brief wintry mix in the evening hours. The rest of the day looks dry and mostly cloudy. Now on Sunday, we are going to be seeing temperatures in the 60s, so very, very mild on Sunday, but we are going to be seeing off and on rain showers. So it is remaining pretty cold today. It is going to warm up for the weekend and then drop back down into the 30s as we start next week. Once again, that taste of spring is expected on Sunday as our temperatures reach 60. Now for today, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures are in the 20s with calm winds, and that we'll have a further look into your weekend coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some sad news this
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a mix of clouds and sun this afternoon with our temperatures in the 20s. So let's take a look now at the Commute tower camera Mostly cloudy skies with some peaks of sunshine right now, and once again our temperature is in the mid-20s. But if we do take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we're seeing a few light lake effect snow showers up in Lewis County, a few snow flurries in the Old Forge area, and a few light snow showers in the northern part of Oneida County, including Rome this afternoon. But this does look to clear out pretty quickly with little accumulation expected. The rest of us are seeing partly cloudy skies and dry conditions. So here's a further look at our radar and satellite. This did develop over the last couple of hours over Lake Ontario. It does just look like a quick little snowfall in those areas, and then we will be done for the afternoon. So let's take a look at our Skywatcher's temperatures. Once again, we are in the upper teens to 20s. We have 17 degrees in Old Forge, 24 degrees in Gray, and 27 degrees in Cassville here this afternoon. Our high temperature will be near 30 for today. And if you are planning out your weekend, it is going to be a mild weekend ahead. As we head into tomorrow, our high temperature is going to be near 40. It is going to be mostly cloudy and dry for the day, with the possibility of a brief round of mixed precipitation in the evening hours around dinner time. Now for Sunday, we are going to be seeing on and off rain showers, but it is going to be very warm, very mild. Our high temperature is going to be in the low 60s, so very warm for the day on Sunday with those rain showers. So I would say the best day to enjoy winter sports this weekend would be today. Today is when it is going to be the coldest out of the weekend, temperatures in the 20s, and we are not seeing any precipitation really. On Saturday, we have that chance of that brief mixed precipitation in the evening, but it is going to be pretty warm with highs near 40 and very warm on Sunday with rain showers throughout the day. So we are seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies this afternoon with our temperatures in the 20s. Overnight tonight, our low temperature will fall into the single digits and the lower teens with mostly cloudy skies. Remaining mostly cloudy for tomorrow, and as our highs reach near 40, we do have that chance for a brief round of mixed precipitation in the evening hours. This looks to clear out before some rain showers move in into Sunday. We are going to be getting on and off rain throughout the day, but temperatures are going to be in the 60s. Now for today, we do have a high in the 20s with partly cloudy skies and calm winds. Overnight tonight, we will see an increase in clouds with low temperatures in the upper single digits to lower teens. So the chance for a brief round of mixed precipitation remains tomorrow evening, highs near 40, getting very warm and mild on Sunday with highs in the low 60 and breezy conditions and rain showers. A wintry mix is possible as that temperature drops on Monday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New York State may be facing more. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking colder weather today. We are looking at temperatures in the 20s right now, and we are seeing a few snow showers up north and west. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, seeing a few snow showers in Lewis County, northern part of Herkimer above Old Forge, and the northern part of Oneida County, but we are dry for the rest of us, seeing a mix of sun and clouds. So we do have a mild weekend in store. We are going to be in the 40s on Saturday. It is going to be mostly cloudy and dry throughout the day, with a brief round of mixed precipitation possible in the evening. Rain showers do come in on Sunday, but we are going to be very warm with our temperatures in the 60s. So we are remaining cold for today, but big temperature swings ahead. We will be warm this weekend and then cold again for the start of next week in the mid-30s. Once again, that taste of spring on Sunday with those rain showers and temperatures in the 60s. But for today, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures are going to be in the 20s all throughout the day, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you guys.
Hannah, thanks. Happening today is
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a mix of clouds and sun here this afternoon with our temperatures in the 20s. So let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Partly cloudy skies right now, but it is very cold outside still with our temperatures in the 20s. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry across the Mohawk Valley and down south, seeing a few light snow showers up in Lewis County and the northern part of Oneida County, as well as the northern part of Herkimer County above Old Forge here this afternoon. Little accumulation is expected, and it looks to be just a brief snow shower. So here's the radar and satellite showing just that. These were driven over Lake Ontario from the breeze that is coming out of the west, but little accumulation is expected. Here is a look at our temperatures right now. We are ranging in the 20s with the exception of Old Forge and 17 degrees. Gray has 24 degrees right now, and Clinton and Otsego are at 25 degrees. So our high temperature today is going to be in the upper 20s. So we are remaining pretty cold for this time of year. But we do have a mild weekend ahead. Looking ahead to Saturday, we are going to be seeing dry conditions and mostly cloudy skies with highs near 40. We do have a chance for a brief round of some mixed precipitation Saturday evening just around dinner time with little accumulation of any snow or ice expected. Moving into Sunday, we are going to be seeing on and off rain showers throughout the day, but temperatures will be in the 60s. Very, very warm on Sunday, and we are going to be getting a taste of spring with those warm temperatures and those rain showers. So if you did have any plans to do any winter sports, today would have been the best day to do them. It is the coldest day out of the weekend. As we head into tomorrow, we are going to be warming up above freezing to near 40, and Sunday we are going to be seeing some rain showers and temperatures are going to be in the 60s, so melting snow is definitely possible as well. So we are seeing a mixture of clouds and sun here this afternoon with our temperatures in the 20s. Overnight tonight we will see an increase in clouds and low temperatures are going to be in the upper single digits to lower teens. As we head into tomorrow, highs are going to be near 40 with mostly cloudy skies all throughout the day, and a brief round of mixed precipitation is possible in the evening. Now heading into Sunday, it is going to warm up quite a bit as a warm front approaches us. We are going to be seeing on and off rain showers throughout the day and high temperatures in the 60s. So it is going to be very warm and breezy on Sunday. Now for today, we are seeing partly cloudy skies. Highs are in the mid-20s with calm winds. Overnight tonight, lows are going to be in the lower teens with an increase in clouds. So for tomorrow, it is going to be dry and mostly cloudy throughout most of the day with a chance of brief round of mixed precipitation in the evening hours as our highs reach near 40. 60 degrees on Sunday with rain showers and breezy conditions, and a wintry mix on Monday as our temperature drops. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We hear about war in Utica.
Let's get you over to the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Happy Friday, Bill.
It is a happy Friday. We're actually getting some warm weather here as we head into the weekend, which is something that we haven't seen much throughout the month of February. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some light snow showers and flurries continue north of the Mohawk Valley. We do expect the weather to remain generally dry in and south of the valley. Our current temperature is 27 degrees, and if you're heading out this evening, it's going to be another cold night. Not quite as cold as last night where we fell below zero in many areas, but we will get down into the single digits to low teens. A gradual warm-up begins on Saturday. Temperatures will climb above freezing later in the day, and record warmth expected as we head into Sunday. We've changed the high temperature here for Sunday afternoon. We'll take a closer look at that coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. With recent and repeated flooding in Kirkland and Oriskany, the United County Executive has formed the Oriskany Creek Basin Intermunicipal Commission. Anthony Pacenti says it's modeled after the Sequoia Creek Commission, which has tackled flood mitigation along that creek. 13 municipalities in Oneida County are within the Oriskany Creek Basin, 5 of which are charter members of this new commission: Oriskany, Kirkland, Waterville, Clinton, and Whitestown.
You can fix a mile or two of road, you know, in one period of time. That's not the same when it comes to the watersheds. Those take more time and more engineering and development in the scope. So that's where the cost comes in, and that's where the time is even more of a factor.
The county executive stressed how no one municipality alone would be able to afford or accomplish fixing the problems with the creek individually.
Mohawk Observer LL.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a significant warm-up as we head into the weekend. Let's take a live look outside. A cold day across central New York. Temperatures in the 20s after starting out below zero. The North Country between 10 to 15 below zero, some cases even colder. So live look at our Cavity Tower cam. We have warmed up quite a bit since then, and temperatures will not be as cold tonight. Many areas down into the single digits to low teens. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Tracking some very light lake effect snow showers well to the north. They'll generally stay north here as we head into tonight. That snow will be coming to an end. The weekend forecast, it is going to be a lot warmer here, especially on Sunday. Saturday, we're looking at cloud cover. There could be a brief round of some light rain, temperatures in the upper 30s. Sunday, record warmth, a high of 64 degrees. We should shatter the record high for that date. That record stands at 57 back in 1974. Again, projecting a high of 64 degrees. Again, should not have a problem doing that. And it kind of goes to show you that this weather is very unusual for early March. We think of spring coming in March. Most of the time it doesn't. It usually takes a few more weeks to see the first 60-degree reading of the season. But again, that's in the forecast here for Sunday, so we are getting a jump start on the season. Watch out for some icy sidewalks, at least for tonight, as temperatures continue to drop. After sunset, the sun that has done some melting today is going to cause some icy spots on untreated surfaces. Whitesboro, 27 degrees, Dolgeville, 27. Across the southern valleys, a few degrees warmer today compared to yesterday. Sherburne, 30. Hamilton with 27 degrees. If you're taking the dog out for a walk this evening, temperatures will be in the 20s. And looks like a pretty nice evening for a walk. It'll be even nicer as we head into the weekend, especially Sunday. Tonight's featured dog is Ginger. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Weather looking pretty quiet for the short term. Again, some light snow showers north. A significant change in the wind direction is going to be responsible for bringing in that warm-up. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. It's still cold. Overnight lows drop down into the teens and single digits. On Saturday, a south wind kicks in. That's going to bring temperatures into the upper 30s. So we'll climb above freezing. By later in the day, we could see a couple of sprinkles in the air, especially closer to sunset. And then we're tracking some light rain showers as we head into Sunday. It looks like around early in the day. It's not going to rain all Sunday. If you are looking to enjoy Sunday, it looks like the afternoon should see some breaks. It looks like more rain arrives as we head into Sunday night. Tonight, increasing clouds down to 9. Tomorrow, cloudy, a brief shower late in the day, a high of 39. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Breezy on Sunday against some rain in the morning as well as later in the day. 64. It is colder. Monday is trending towards more rain as opposed to snow. But we do see some snow here Monday night, back into the 40s as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're talking about the potential with this warm-up. Is there any concern for flooding?
That was going to be my question to you, so you're going to make me wait.
Yeah.
Okay, so positives to, the sun coming out on Sunday, or the warmth on Sunday. Will we have periods of sun?
I think so. Brief glimpses of sunshine, and I don't think the rain's going to be around all day.
Oh, that's wonderful news. So good time to get outside, get some fresh air, open the windows.
Open the windows, yeah.
Let it all out. All right, Bill, thank you. It's cool to be kind. Get back to the Weather Center and Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
We're talking about this upcoming warm weather for the weekend. The last two significant warm-ups that arrived in central New York brought some flooding issues. So the question is, will the weather that we're expecting on Sunday do the same? The answer is probably not. We're expecting some rain. The rain is not going to be really heavy. I think most areas will get less than ½ an inch of rainfall. We have snow on the ground, but we don't have a really thick, deep snow base that we did with the previous events too. The wild card ice jams. The ice is a lot thinner now than it was over the past couple of weeks, and it's a lot thinner than the last previous events. So it's not impossible to get a few ice jams, but the risk is lower compared to what we were dealing with the last two events. If we do have any issues with flooding, if there's any small chance of this happening, it would likely be on Monday. There's a delay in the melt, the snow melt and the ice jam. So we'll continue to keep an eye on things as we always do, but it is not at the top of our list of concerns here as we move forward. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few light snow showers. To the north, it's going to be another chilly evening with temperatures in the teens. We are tracking that warm weather on Sunday. A look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Spring break is
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're getting ready for a much warmer weekend here in central New York, especially by Sunday. Let's take a live look outside. We have a glorious sunset taking place this evening. Look at that. It's our Cavby Tower Cam. Our sunset is approaching 6 o'clock, so in just a couple of minutes here, we'll be seeing that sun go below the horizon. It is going to be cold tonight. Temperatures drop down into the single digits to low teens. We will be a lot warmer, though, compared to last night when many of us fell below zero. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. A couple of flurries to the north will stay to the north. This weekend, the story is all about the warmer temperatures. We're into the 30s tomorrow. We'll climb above freezing. We'll start to see a slow snow melt. We'll stay above freezing tomorrow night, and then Sunday, it is expected to be a very warm day, likely seeing record warmth with a few rain showers. And this is just a for fun checklist for Sunday. Warm enough to open the windows, go for a walk. Probably a little too early to clean the yard as the snow is still going to be out there. I don't think we're going to completely lose the snow, but we will lose a large portion of it. Wash the car and wear shorts. It just depends on who you are. You want to get a jump start on that. Again, temperatures in the 60s. The snow, if you're looking to get out and enjoy the snow that's left, I think Saturday morning is going to be your one and only shot, as we'll start out the day below freezing. And then after that is going to be a big snow melt with very slushy conditions heading into Sunday as well as Monday. And I think we're pretty much past prime conditions here as we go forward. Gray, 26 degrees, Barneveld 25, Old Forge 21 degrees, 18 in Inlet. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown 27, Edmonston 24, and Morris checking in with 28 degrees. Winds turn into the south as we head into tonight, and that's going to bring in warm temperatures gradually as we head throughout the weekend. And tonight we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. We drop down into the single digits, so it is cold. And it will be a generally cold start to Saturday. Temperatures will slowly warm up. We will be in the upper 30s by later in the day. And I can't rule out a sprinkle or a flurry as we head into Saturday evening. It doesn't last for very long, though. Sunday, we're starting out the day with a mix of mostly cloudy skies and a few light rain showers. Some rain in the morning. I think we'll see some breaks in the afternoon, so it's not going to rain the whole day. But we also will be tracking another round of rain as a cold front rolls through. So rain early, rain late, and then the temperatures will really start to drop as we head into Monday. Increasing clouds tonight, low of 9 degrees. Tomorrow it is a generally cloudy day, and again, a couple of late rain and snow showers late, a high of 39. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, record warmth on Sunday, 64. It is back to colder weather. Monday is tracking more rain than snow, high of 42. It does turn over to snow Monday night, potentially some accumulations, 35 on Tuesday. Temperatures climb back into the 40s as we head into the rest of the week. Check out our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. We'll be right back.
Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Cold today. We started out below zero in many areas. Temperatures have climbed into the 20s, and as we look ahead, it's all about very warm weather as we head into the weekend, especially Sunday. That looks to be the warmest of the 2 days. A live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some light snow showers to the north. Our current temperature is 26 degrees. Weather headlines. We'll drop down into the single digits tonight. Won't be quite as cold, but cold enough. A gradual warm-up is expected throughout Saturday. A cloudy day will climb above freezing, and record warmth is expected on Sunday. Temperatures likely to climb into the 60s. We're partly cloudy this evening. Temperatures in the teens. We're tracking some rain that goes along with this warm-up too. A look at that forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. With recent and repeated flooding in Kirkland and Oriskany, the United County Executive has formed the Oriskany Creek Basin Intermunicipal Commission. Anthony Pacenti says it's modeled after the Secoy Creek Commission, which has tackled flood mitigation along that creek. 13 municipalities in Oneida County are within the Oriskany Creek Basin, 5 of which are charter members of this new commission: Oriskany, Kirkland, Waterville, Clinton, and Whitestown.
We have to deal with the seasons, obviously, not, that you have that finite time period to fix it, and coupled with dealing with any storms or events that may take place within it. That's another factor that you just don't, there are things in something that you don't have control over.
The county executive stressed how no one municipality alone would be able to afford or accomplish fixing the problems with the creek individually.
Did the American Rescue
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Happy Friday. We are tracking much warmer weather as we head throughout the weekend, especially by Sunday. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is looking dry A beautiful sunset, very colorful skies this evening. This is a look towards the south from our Cabby Tower Cam. And we do have more clouds on the way as we head into tonight. It's going to keep temperatures from falling as much as they did last night. Have a look at the weekend forecast. On Saturday, it's a cloudy day with a few very light rain showers later in the day, a high of 39. On Sunday, it's going to feel like spring, record warmth, a high of 64 degrees with some rain showers, especially early in the day as well as in the evening time. The record high on Sunday stands at 57, set back in 1974. We should easily break that. We should shatter the record high, looking at a high temperature, forecasted high of 64. With the warm weather, along with melting snow, question is, will we have any issues with flooding? I think the answer to this is unlikely. I know the last two warm-ups, we saw some ice jams, we saw some flooding issues, but this time around, the rain is not expected to be as heavy. Also, there's not as much snow left, and the ice is not as thick. So we're being a little bit more optimistic here. It's not a 0% chance, but I think the risk is a lot lower. The wild card, as always, ice jams, but again, with less ice on area streams and rivers, there'll be a lower chance of this happening. If we do get any issues, it's likely to be on Monday as opposed to Sunday. It takes about 24 hours for any melting snow to make its way into rivers, so we'll continue to keep an eye on things. Alder Creek, 24 degrees, Clinton, 27, Mike and New Hartford, 26. Across Southern Valleys, Milford, 24, and Cassville with 24 degrees. The winds turn into the southwest, bringing in clouds and bringing those warmer temperatures to the region. Tonight, we're down into the single digits, but we do warm up throughout Saturday. Expect overcast skies, a few very light rain showers late in the day. Temperatures will climb above freezing. With the breeze, it's not going to feel all that warm, but I think you'll notice it being warmer than today. Tomorrow night, some scattered showers. Here's how things play out for Sunday. If you're looking to get out on Sunday to enjoy the weather, there should be a round of rain in the morning. In the afternoon, some breaks in the rain. I think that'll be the time to get out. More rain as a cold front arrives in the evening, too, with a big drop in the temperature. Tonight, increasing clouds down to 9. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, a brief shower late, a high of 39. Record warmth Sunday, 64. It is colder on Monday with rain turning over to snow Monday night. We could see accumulations Monday night and into early Tuesday. Temperatures in the 40s as we move beyond. Don't forget about our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Back over to you.
It's National
has been moved to Our Lady of Lourdes Church because of structural repairs being made to St. Joseph St. Patrick's Church. That's at 7:15. And now, while we're on the subject of St. Joseph St. Patrick Church, due to needed structural repairs, all of its weekend masses will be held at St. Peter's Church on Coventry Avenue in Utica until further notice. Now, those masses are 4 p.m. vigil on Saturday, 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. on Sunday. Time now for a first look at the forecast. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. Temperatures are cooling off pretty quickly. We're down into the low teens and single digits, but it's all about warm weather as we head into the weekend, especially the second half of the weekend where we could be breaking records. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A couple of flurries still continue to the north. Our current temperature is 11 degrees with clear skies and calm winds in the Mohawk Valley. As we look at our weather headlines, it's cold again tonight. I think this is about as cold as we get throughout the rest of tonight as temperatures should start to warm up. And when that warming trend continues into Saturday, we're looking at temperatures above freezing by later in the day. The real warmth arrives on Sunday. A strong south wind ahead of the low pressure will bring record high temperatures to the region Sunday afternoon. Increasing clouds tonight, low temperature of 9. Again, we're tracking some very warm weather as we head into Sunday and some colder weather and changes to follow as we head into Monday. We'll look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The world is...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our Cabby Tower Cam is overlooking the city of Utica. It's cold tonight. Temperatures have settled down into the low teens and single digits, and this is about as cold as we'll get throughout the night. We're expecting changes in the weather as south wind to start kicking in and some clouds to thicken up. This is a current look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and a couple of very late flurries continue north with some very, very weak lake effect snow that will come to an end soon. As we head into the weekend, we're expecting a warm-up, a gradual warm-up for Saturday, a high of 39 degrees. A couple of sprinkles are possible later in the day. Most of the day looks dry, but it's going to be a gloomy day with plenty of cloud cover. Sunday, warm, very warm, a high of 64 degrees. That looks to be the warmest day that we've had for this date. The record high is 57, set back in 1974. The, again, forecasted high 64. We should easily break this record and then some. As far as flooding is concerned, I did want to take a moment to address this because the last two significant warm-ups have come with ice jams. This time around, things are different. We're not expecting the rain to be as heavy or as widespread as the last couple of events. Also, too, there's not quite as much snow compared to the previous events. And also the ice jams, when you have warm weather and you have ice jams, the ice is thinner and there's less of it now compared to earlier in the month of February. So it's not that the chance is zero, but it's a lot lower here as we go forward. If there's any chance of any issues, it's likely going to take place on Monday. But again, the overall risk does look a lot lower this time around. So look at the bigger picture. The winds turn into the southwest. Our temperature is going to gradually rise. We're down into the single digits tonight, but on Saturday, the weather does warm up. Looking at temperatures above freezing, a few very light rain showers are possible later in the day as a warm front moves through. Another round of rain here for Sunday, especially in the morning time. In the afternoon, we do expect breaks in the rain and even a few breaks of sunshine. It should be a beautiful day. If you're looking to get out and enjoy those 60s, the afternoon is your best bet. A cold front rolls through as we head into late Sunday, and that brings cooler temperatures. A wave of low pressure will be moving in on Monday. This starts out as rain and then will likely end as some accumulating snow heading into Monday night. Increasing clouds tonight down to 9. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, a brief shower late, a high of 39. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. On Sunday, not only is it warm, it's also breezy too. 64 for the high. Rain Monday, 42. Rain turns to snow Monday night. Temperatures will be in the 40s as we head into next week. Check out our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. We'll be right back.
For a first look at the forecast, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We are tracking some warmer weather as we head into the weekend. We'll notice the changes tomorrow, but the warmth really ramps up by Sunday. The live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. Our current temperature is 10 degrees, clear skies, calm winds, and temperatures really don't get much colder tonight. With clouds on the way and a south wind kicking in, we'll start to see a rise in temperature as we head into tomorrow morning. A gradual warm up on Sunday with record warmth expected as we head into the second half of the weekend. Increasing clouds tonight, low temperature of 9 degrees. Again, we're tracking much warmer weather ahead. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The world is reacting to
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our Cat tower cam is looking dry, as does the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Not so dry over the weekend. A couple of very light showers arrived late Saturday, a high of 39. Record warmth on Sunday, 64 degrees. A taste of spring and also a record-shattering day. Expecting the record high to come down quickly. It is 57 for Sunday. The forecast again 64. That record goes back to 1974. Last couple of warm-ups have brought flooding, but will this one cause any issues? I don't think that's going to be the case. We're not looking at as heavy of a rainfall. Also, there's less snow on the ground. The wild card ice jams, there's less ice on area rivers. We'll continue to keep an eye on things, but I think overall the concern is relatively low. South wind kicks in tonight. Temperatures will rise as we head into tomorrow. Temperatures climb into the 30s in the afternoon. Could see a sprinkle or two later in the day. Tomorrow night, more scattered rain showers. A steady round of rain Sunday morning, and then the weather should really warm up. Looking at temperatures in the 60s in the afternoon. A cold front arrives, and the weather cools down, and it turns windy heading into Sunday night. Increasing clouds tonight down to 9 degrees. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, a brief shower late, a high of 39. Breezy and warm Sunday, 64 for the high. It does get colder with some rain on Monday, turning over to some snow Monday night. Temperatures in the 40s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Check out the app. Back to you.
I will, and you have a great